Welcome to the video series on Mac accessibility. These features help support all learners through universal education and as a Tier 1 support in Florida's multi-tier systems of supports. Students using a Mac computer can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase engagement during instruction of the Florida Best Standard. This video focuses on voice dictation. In this word processing document, we want to enable our built-in accessibility voice dictation. In this Mac computer, we move our mouse to the top, select the Apple icon, select System Preferences. In the System's Preferences pop-up window, select Keyboard, then select Dictation. You want to turn on dictation and select Enable Dictation, and you can see here the shortcut to start the dictation is pressing the FN function key twice. Tap the function key once to turn off voice dictation. Here is a screenshot of a Mac keyboard. You can see the function key is located directly on the bottom row on the left. Tap that twice to turn on voice dictation, and tap it once to turn it off. And now I'm back to the Word document, so I'll double tap the function key on the keyboard. You'll see the record icon appear as a microphone, period. And as I speak, it types everything that I say, period. And when I'm done speaking, I just tap the function key once, and that turns it off. It works the same in PowerPoint. Click where you want to enter the text, double tap the function key, enter title. Tap the function key once to stop the dictation. It also works the same in a browser. Click where you want to enter the text, double tap the function key, google.com. Tap function key to stop the typing and hit enter. It works the same in many other applications. On behalf of our Technology and Learning Connections team, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.